Hi, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my kitchen, and I'd love to show you a very simple Thanksgiving side dish. It's my bacon Brussels sprouts, and it's easy AF. Okay, who doesn't love Brussels sprouts? And they are so much better with bacon. What isn't better with bacon? So the first thing we have to do is get our bacon rendered and start to get it crispy and juicy. So I have a hot pan. I put a touch of olive oil. Sometimes you'll notice that bacon needs a little extra kick of fat to get it going. And I'm gonna cut this is already sliced bacon, just like you get at the grocery store. I'm gonna go a little bit thicker, like about an inch wide. And I'm just gonna cut through the already sliced pieces, and then you just separate it as it's going into the pan. This is such a great side for Thanksgiving, but honestly, you guys, this is for any time of the year. Brussels are in season right now, which is why we are going crazy for them at this moment. But you can get them at any time of the year. Crispy, roasted in the oven. Delicious. I even sometimes make a raw salad out of them. Okay, so we get our bacon in there and going. I'm gonna stir it up a little bit. And it's gonna render. When I say render, what does that mean, everybody? You get the fat out. I wish I could put myself in this pan. Okay, so for the Brussels sprouts, I have some already cut, and okay, if I'm gonna say quarter them, you're gonna say to me, okay, what if I have a really big one and a really small one? Well, we're gonna cut the big one into 6 pieces and the small one in half. So just use your noggin and cut it. If it needs to cut a little bit smaller, go ahead and do that. I cut the ends off, the little stem ends. If you've ever seen a whole Brussels, they're attached to this big, beautiful stem, and that's where that comes in. The other thing I like to do is add whole cloves of garlic. If you don't love garlic, then don't put it in. You could also put shallots or a little bit of onion. But the way this garlic roasts and softens with the bacon fat and the natural juices of the Brussels sprouts, it comes out like roasted garlic, sweet and creamy. I'm gonna season it with a little bit of kosher salt. Be careful though, the bacon is salty. I'm gonna put some pepper on it. So I just have a roasting pan. My oven is at 425. I want high heat. I want these Brussels sprouts to caramelize. That's when they get that delicious, roasty, toasty, nutty flavor that we love. If I was in a professional kitchen right now, I would be putting these in the deep fat fryer. They get crispy and crunchy. They're better than French fries. So I'm just gonna continue to render my fat, and then I'm gonna pour the bacon over the top. Okay, our bacon is getting nice and crispy, and look at all that juicy bacon fat that has rendered out, and we're gonna put that all on top of the bacon. Oh wait, on top of the Brussels. So don't skimp. Oh yeah, look at that. Those look so good. You can actually hear them. They're like popping like popcorn. The bacon, the Brussels sprouts are crispy, the leaves, my little Brussels sprout friend. Everything's come together. Even the garlic is soft. And that was truly easy AF. Oh my God. Bacon, Brussels.